Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you how to create a light source inside of a light structure and to make it seem like it is actually coming from that source, and also making the glass transparent enough to where you can see if you have a light bulb in there, or so you can actually, the light will shine through. So I already have my pre-selected object one I had made earlier, and then I'm going to click on the glass pane, and I'm going to go, it's going to select both of them because they're links, and it's going to show me the color that I want, the transparency, the ambient color, and incandescence. First I'm going to make the transparency, increase that so it looks like it's glass, so we can see straight through those two. You have to forgive me, I don't have a mouse. It broke on me. So I'm just going to zoom in. Sorry about that. Just hit F key, and so we're focusing. There we go. So as you can see, the the face that we had selected earlier is now transparent. I'm gonna want to give it a little bit of a yellowish tint, so it seems like it's glowing, or the light is passing through it. And then I'm going to go to Create, grab a light. I'm going to hit my area light key because that's just something I prefer. And then I'm just going to increase my side window. And I'm going to bring it up and drag it on over. And I'm going to hit my space key bar again and notice that it's off a little bit. So I'm going to just drag it until it is within my image. I'm going to hit my perspective and space, and then I'm just going to go on top of it so I can adjust that accordingly. I just want to make it close to center. Bring it on up some. You're going to want it towards the top, or you can have it towards the bottom based on where your light source is going to be, either a candle, an actual light bulb, or etc., something like that. Just want to make it close to the middle as possible. That should be good. I'm going to hit my E key so I can rotate it on its axis, and you're going to want that to be shining down, or if you want it to be directional, you can adjust that. Now the color of my light is going to be, I'm going to show you just a quick render. I have it based on my camera 1 settings, so as you can see it's just a white light shining through a yellow glass pane. So that doesn't really work. It doesn't fit the color I gave this glass. So I'm going to hit my color, and I'm just going to select an orange, maybe because that's the color of the light bulb. I'm going to increase that a little bit. And my intensity, I'm going to just increase a little bit more to make that light a little bit brighter. So I think this is going to be good. I think this is the color I want. I'm going to Control D to duplicate that light source. I'm just going to drag it directly over to my other one and line it up like so. All right. So now we have two lights inside of our light pole, and we're going to just want to do a quick render to see how that looks. So you can see that the orange from the actual color of the light is being reflected on the pole, and the yellow on the glass is reflecting on, or not reflecting, just giving off a nice bright color that we want. You can also increase the glow of the glass if you wanted to make the color shine a little bit more, but I think this is perfect. I think that looks good enough for right now. I'm going to just adjust my camera so you guys can see that differently. I bring it up more, drag it up. Alright. Hit render again. Now I did render, I did snapshot, and then camera 1. So That's what it's going to be showing us. All right, so that's that. I hope it helped you guys out.